so what we have here is two phones. We have on the left hand side a Samsung with a 4G SIM in it, a Meteor 4G SIM, and on the right hand side we have a 3G phone. And what we're going to do is a live speed test just to show the speed comparisons. So I'll hit the button on the Meteor 4G phone first and see what we get. So here is a live speed test, and as you see we got a great response, 49 megabyte download. We'll do the same now on 3G, so I'll hit the button. And what are we getting? It looks like we're going to see about 3 meg download. And a similar upload speed, 2.89. So what you've just seen there is the real speed of 4G, a download speed of 49 meg, which is, as you can see, when you compare, multiple times faster, and the same with the upload speed, which is important if you're uploading videos or pictures to the likes of Dropbox or YouTube. So there you go, great comparison of 4G versus 3G.